Now, Dr. Robert Murphy, professor of infectious diseases at Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, let's start with the Pfizer booster shot. Do you see any red flags here with the CDC director breaking with advisors in some areas?
She did the right thing. She lined herself up with the FDA and with what the White House has been trying to do all along, get people as protected as possible. And, you know, she did the right thing. It's time to get some new advisors.
In terms of Chicago, Chicago has a 50% drop in hospitalizations in the city, but outside in Illinois, it's not necessarily the case. Do you think this is an issue because of the vaccination rate?
It's all about the vaccination rate, Laura. The state as a whole had a 10% drop. That's incredible. But Chicago is doing tremendously well. 50% drop in hospitalizations. The southern part of the state, it's not happening. Even though they've had very minor improvements in their metrics as well, but they're only 37% vaccinated compared to much higher here. I think Chicago is 66%. They're 37%. This is just not going to work down there. It's not going to get better until they get vaccinated.
And Dr. Murphy, where are we with vaccine shots for children? We keep hearing Halloween could be a potential starting point.
Yeah, they're pretty much ready to go. It's a much lower dose. It's 1/3 of the adult dose that's given to them. The initial reports of the antibody levels that those kids are getting from this lower dose look tremendous. It looks just like the adults and the older adolescents. Apparently safe and well tolerated, and we'll get all the final report within the next month or so, and there could be an approval by the end of October.
There is a story out today that says that there might be potential for a daily COVID pill that would be able to treat the virus. What do you think about that idea?
There's 3 companies out there with these pills. So in other words, say you get exposed now, what do? You just go basically in quarantine by yourself. What if we had a pill that they could take that would prevent them from getting sick? This would be fantastic. Or if they did get sick, go to the pharmacy and get a pill that day and treat yourself so you don't get severely ill. This is an incredible addition to treating these patients. You don't have to go get an intravenous infusion. You could just go to the pharmacy and get a week's worth of pills. This, in addition to the vaccine, could be a real game changer. And there's 3 companies doing this now: Merck, Atea, and Pfizer.
Let's get to some viewer questions here, starting with this. When testing if someone has the virus, how do they differentiate the results, whether it's COVID, the Delta variant, or influenza?
Well, one thing, the test is very different, COVID and influenza. So influenza has influenza A and B, and then there's COVID. So there's now what they call multiplex tests that can test all 3 at the same time, or you do them separately, whatever, but they're different tests. As far as Delta, you don't have to test for it. It's a complicated, expensive test, and everybody has Delta.
Next question. My daughter is 11, turning 12 in mid-November. If the age 5 through 11 vaccine becomes available, should she take that or wait until she turns 12?
If she's still 11 when the vaccine is approved, she should just go get that. There's no magic that happens on the day you turn 12. The immune response should be more than adequate.
Okay, thank you. If you didn't get your question answered, Dr. Murphy answers them bi-weekly on Northwestern University's Institute for Global Health Facebook page. You can also submit questions via email or head to our WGN Morning News Facebook page. Post one there. We'll talk to him again on Monday. Thanks again.
Thanks, Dr. Murphy.